Now I am sharing information about Long March of China. China on 6th November 2020 successfully sent 13 satellites, including 10 from Argentina, into the orbit in what was stated to be the biggest launch of foreign satellites by the country that could fetch hundreds of millions of dollars to the communist nation China. The satellites, including 10 commercial remote sensing satellites developed by Argentina company Satellogic, blasted off atop a Long March 6 carrier rocket from the Taiwan Satellite Launch Center in North China's Shanxi province. According to officials, on Friday's launch was the 351 by the Long March rocket series. 2019, the official media reports said that China plans to launch 90 Earth observation satellites for Satellogic. China has been using its space rocket to put satellites of several countries, including closely allied Pakistan. Though financial terms of the deal with Argentina were not disclosed, Fu Ziheng, Vice President of Great Wall, the international arm of state-owned space conglomerate China Aerospace Science and Technology Corp, told state-run China Daily last year that the deal is at the level of hundreds of millions of US dollars. That makes it one of the largest contracts China has obtained in the international space market in the past several years. It is also the first time that China will launch such a large number of satellites for a foreign client. According to officials, this launch was the 351st by the Long March 6 rocket series. China has been using its space rocket to put satellites of several countries, including Pakistan. So it's a big question in the international level when it's supporting Pakistan, but at the same time, they are the first time getting the big investment from the foreign countries and send 10 from Argentina among the 13 satellites launched by China with the help of Long March rocket.